a lesson learned, then yeah, never again. Clock struck 12 in the room.